Hello everyone, my name is Kate, and in today's video I'm gonna paint watercolor vegetables. This artwork can be used in food packaging, food companies, branding, restaurants, and many more. This graphic available in my shop, so if you are interested in, please see the link below. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with a carrot. Mix a lot of water and add light orange. Paint the first coat. And then by using the tip of the brush, add a little dark orange on the edges. Using the light green and paint carrot stems. Now I'm going to paint the eggplant. Before the paint, I'm going to add water to the highlight area. And then using the light purple, slowly start paint from the light area. At this point, make sure that leave a white highlight. Before the water dry, add darker brown and blend it. Now I'm going to paint the beet. Add orange on the light side, and then add burgundy on the wet area and blend it quickly. Using the tip of the brush, add dark burgundy on the edges. Paint some leaves on the top in the same way. Now I'm going to paint the potatoes. Personally, I think these potatoes are the greatest result in this painting. By using the lots of water, paint the first coat. And add a little dark brown on the edge. Let's continue painting the same way. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again.